Good morning, children. Have you had your breakfast? I know you're ready with your English text and English note. Okay, I think you all understood the lesson and we started the text activities. And also in the note, we have written the new words, meanings, and question answers. I think, children, you all are thorough with the notes what I gave. Okay, children, I think you have already opened your textbook and notebook in front of you. Okay, yesterday I gave you B. Mark these sentences as true or not true. First one, Arun and Shanti fought with each other all the time. It is not true. They were friendly with each other. Second one, Shanti came to class crying one day. Not true. She came sadly. Third one, Shanti will not talk to anyone or look up. That is true. Fourth one, Shanti was upset because her pet was sick. Not true. Why you know no? Why she was upset? Because her 4 teeth was missing. Fifth one, Shanti was feeling shy after losing her teeth. True. Next activity C. Think and answer. Was Arun a good friend to Shanti? Tick the words we can use to describe Arun. What are the words we will describe Arun? Friendly is there, fun loving, caring, kind and helpful. You have to tick for these words. Okay. Those who have not done correctly, please do it. Okay. In page number 5, we can see grammar. Read these sentences. A rubber frog landed on Shanti's desk. Shanti laughed when she saw the frog. We use a or an when we talk about something for the first time. Okay, see, once again I repeat, we use a or an when we talk about something for the first time. When we talk something, we use a or an. We use a before singular nouns beginning with consonant sounds. See children, we use a before singular nouns. Okay, before singular nouns we use a beginning with consonant sounds. You all know that which all are consonant sounds. We use an before singular nouns beginning with vowel sounds. We use an before singular nouns beginning with vowel sound. You have already learned this. Here are some examples, children. Please see here. A boy. Here we use a before singular nouns beginning with consonant sounds. A cat, a dog, a fan, a pen. Here a is used before singular nouns beginning with consonant sounds. Next examples, an. Apricot. Here children, an is used before singular nouns beginning with vowel sound. Okay. An is used before singular nouns beginning with vowel sound. An apricot, an engineer, an injection, an ox, an umpire. Children, we use the when everyone knows what we are talking about. The sun was high in the sky. Also use the if we have talked about the thing before. Ahmad helped an old woman cross the street. The old woman thanked him. A pencil is lying on the floor. Here we use a before singular nouns beginning with consonant sounds. I think the pencil belongs to Neema. Here The is used for a particular thing, that is pencil. Okay. Children, take page 6. Here you can see the use of a or an before a word depends on its pronunciation, not its spellings. Use an before words that begin with a vowel sound even if they are spelt with consonants like an a, an air. Here H is silent. Here also H is silent. Okay. So children, we use an before are. And here also we use an before air. In the same way, we use a before words that begin with vowels but are said with a consonant sound like a university, a unit. Children, here U is silent. We use A before university. You have to say like this, university. Okay? Children, here also U is silent. So we use A before unit. So we say unit. Okay? Children, this is your homework you have to do in the textbook. Okay? Complete these sentences with a, an, or the. Rahul lives in a small but beautiful house. There are 2 rooms and dash kitchen, dash house. Rahul's room is nice and cool. There is dash small table and dash cupboard in his room. Rahul keeps his clothes in dash cupboard. He keeps his notebooks on dash table. Rahul has dash empty shelf near his bed. He wants to fill it with storybooks. Rahul loves his room. Children, textbook homework you do in the text itself, okay? And you write third and fourth question answers, write neatly and send to me, okay? You have to study question answers, meanings, new words, everything. You read the lesson, okay? Thank you. Bye.